today we're going to talk about increase and decrease of volume. So let me bring in some audio and then alright. For now, today the volume is too high. So we can reduce the volume just as we have done before. Use the envelope. Put it on the white. Alright, so let's play and see how the music looks like. Alright, so as it is now, if you want to apply the effect, let's say I want to apply effect on this side and then use the effect, the amplify. So here, as you can see, the volume is being measured in decibel, so it's dB, you see, and it is negative. As it is negative, it means that if I bring it to 0 now, there will be no effect. Oh, sorry. So as it is 0 now, if I click OK, there will be no effect. It will be the same. But if I apply where I highlight, if I apply the effect with amplify and bring it down, when it is 0, when it goes up over 0, that means it is loud. When it comes down, it is less. So let me bring it a little bit down and see, let's say down to like 9 and click OK. And then the volume comes down, you see. So if I play it, it will So that is it. And if I want to make it higher, apply the effect, amplify, amplification, and then I increase to let's say 9.9 and click OK. See, it has come high, and if I play, you see that the volume So that is how to reduce the volume by applying the effect. So as I highlight it, I'll do in the next video, we'll apply all this on the other video as the time progresses. So let me see your suggestions and then subscribe to the next, and we'll do the next video. We'll apply this effect on all. The moment you highlight it, you can apply it. So monkey around and see how it is, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye.